think I found the perfect 17-inch laptop. This is LG's Gram that we've seen first launched 2 years ago with a 14-inch model. By now, they've got 13, 14, and 15-inch models. But at CES 2019, LG is showing off the 17-inch Gram that it already sort of teased us with an announcement last month. Here we're finally getting hands-on with this thing. And as you can tell, it is really light. It is super duper light. It's under 3 pounds, coming in exactly at about 2.95. So for a 17-inch monster of a laptop, that is really, really light. In fact, so light that I can hold a microphone and a laptop in one hand each. The screen's resolution is WQXGA, which is just slightly higher than Full HD but lower than 4K. It's plenty sharp for a screen this size. Another benefit of having such a large laptop is that you get a nice full-size keyboard with a numpad on it and a roomy trackpad that is very nice to use during my testing. I do wish that there was a little bit more travel on this keyboard, but it is also a very, very thin machine. The other benefit of this nice size is that you have a ton of ports. There's HDMI, there's USB-A's, there was an SD card reader, plenty of options here. So this, for the person that wants to travel with a nice big size laptop with all the ports built in, don't want to carry any dongles, want to see your slides easily or your spreadsheets without zooming in too much, a 17-inch laptop like that makes a lot of sense. Now, one more thing that LG was able to squeeze into this generous sized chassis is a 72 watt-hour battery that it says is supposed to last up to 19.5 hours. That's a lot, especially since a lot of 17-inch laptops are expected to be desktop replacements and can be clunky, and so they don't last very long because you're expected to be keeping them plugged in. And as you can see, overall, this thing cuts a really sharp, slick profile. It's going to be available in this gray color you see here, as well as white, depending on the retailer. And other color options may be in the works. Well, if you already think you want this guy, it's going to cost you $1,700, which is, again, a lot cheaper than a lot of 17-inch laptops out there. It has an 8th generation Intel Core i7 CPU for the price, which is nice, except it doesn't have a proper graphics card. So this isn't really for someone who's looking for a lot of graphics muscle for gaming or creative work. Still, though, if you're keen, it's going to be available very soon, by the end of this month at the very least. So if you're willing to drop $1,700 on a 17-inch laptop, maybe think about the LG Gram. For more news out of CES 2019, stay tuned to Engadget.com.